What are you waiting for? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please remember to like, share and subscribe for best glow up tips.
How to make 2025 your best year with these 20 glow up tips. Skincare and beauty. Start a skincare routine. Exfoliate regularly. Use sunscreen daily. Get enough sleep. Stay hydrated. Makeup and style. Define your personal style. Invest in quality makeup products. Learn basic makeup techniques. Take care of your hair. Mindset and productivity. Set clear goals. Practice positive affirmations. Create a morning routine. Prioritize self-care. Learn to say no. Wellness and fitness. Find an exercise routine you love. Eat a balanced diet. Practice mindfulness. Get enough vitamin D. Take breaks and rest. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Please subscribe and share with your friends, and welcome to a new journey to glow every day. Hope you liked the video and please come back again for amazing videos.